All right, guys, good morning. So, what we're going to do today is this thing called scale drawings or models. And basically, what this is a scale drawing that is used to represent something that is too big or too small on actual size. Like a map has a little scale or a model or a key at the bottom of it to basically say that 1 inch is equal to a certain amount of miles. It's the same type of thing. We're going to use this scale to represent and solve problems. All right, so right here, the scale is the ratio of the actual size of the model, and the scale is equal to model over actual. So, like, what is it in model compared to what is it in the actual size of it? Let's look at an example and see if this can help you guys. All right, let's look at number one here. So, the scale on a drawing for a new pool is 2 inches is equal to 7 feet. So when you have this on the paper, what it's saying is that 2 inches on the paper, okay, on the drawing is actually equal to 7 feet, right? If the length of the pool on the drawing is 10 inches, what is the actual length of the pool? You're going to solve using just like we've been doing, a proportion, okay? But now it's dealing with scale models. Use a proportion. So what I did was I said, okay, 2 inches is equal to 7 feet. So I made one ratio be 2 inches and 7 feet. Now I put 2 inches on top and 7 feet on bottom because that's the way it was written in the problem, right? If I put inches on top on this ratio, what has to be over here when I take the screen shade away? Obviously, it should be inches. So inches on top, inches on bottom. If the length of the pool on the drawing is 10 inches, what is the actual length, right? Model over actual. So model over actual. This X is what I'm actually looking for, right? How do you solve this proportion, which most of you have been doing a good job of sending in your work? You cross multiply, right? 2 times X is 2X, and then 10 times 7 is 70. How do you solve for X? You divide by 2, right? Let me get this out real quick. Do it with you. You're going to divide and divide by 2, right? When you divide by 2, what happens to that 2? Obviously, just basic algebra, right? Goes away. I'm left with on this side, on the left side, so I'm going to come over here because I'm running out of room. X is equal to 70 divided by 2, 35 feet. So this is the answer for this problem because it's a drawing, a scale drawing. So on the paper, it represents 2 inches, right? Because on the paper it's smaller, but in actual length, it's 35 feet. You're going to solve these other problems the same way. Now, each one may be different. Maybe you're not solving for this particular piece right here. You may be solving for this piece or this piece or this piece. So you have to kind of figure out what the problem is asking you to find. But this work that I have right here is what I want you to solve. You have this paper, so do the work on there. And if you don't have the paper, I'll post it on the Google Classroom so you can have it and complete it in your binder. All right, but this is what I want to see. All right, give it a shot. Any small problems or any problems at all, email me. You guys know I'll be back to you. All right, keep up the good work. Good job.